Hey, Taylor, how are you?
Great, how are you?
So this is Burger Law. We have a live Facebook video. Taylor, how long have you worked for us?
2.5 years.
And what is different now this week versus before?
I've been an attorney for 16 days.
16 days as a lawyer. So tell me, what's it like?
It's not much different.
Tell us why. And did you want to do this video?
I did not consent to this.
She did not consent to this video. Me too. Hashtag me too. No, that's just a little joke. So tell me about what's it been like stepping up as a lawyer and any differences.
A little bit more pressure. I have to go to court now.
And you're going to court on Monday for the first time.
Yeah.
A motion in where?
In Lincoln County.
Good. Motion to compel. And you drafted the motion to compel and did it. Why are we moving to compel the defendants?
They have not answered our discovery. They haven't answered our discovery adequately.
And
The defendants answer our discovery adequately.
Right, and so we're moving into compel. Is that an aggressive move to make?
A little bit more aggressive than just a letter. We've already done that.
We've already done that because sometimes defendants don't give discovery in these cases. Taylor's our all-star. She's been working for us for 2 years, and she just does you do amazing work. I tell you that all the time.
I'm going to keep recording of this for later.
Yes, exactly, for your employer review. So Taylor, and you also saw you got two great things that happened to you this week. You got to see me in action twice.
Oh yeah.
Tell us about that.
Gary took so many depots this week.
A lot of depots. I took a lot of depots this week. Doctors.
They all went well. It's a good learning experience.
What'd you take from those depots?
We talked about preparation. You're really good on the fly. You're really good at knowing the medical and if the doctor says something, you're able to kind of catch on so quickly. And so I'm sure it's going to take me a while to get that. You've been practicing a little bit longer.
I've been practicing 28 years longer than you. So
I wasn't going to say that.
You're saying that I'm old. You're saying that I'm old. Right. I know I'm a little bit old. So. Yeah. So, but what did you learn about how the doctors do, or what plaintiff lawyers do? Anything else for our viewers? Anything anybody can take from that experience? With zero preparation. Come on, you can do it.
What did I learn?
Yeah.
More than what I just already said.
Why is preparation important?
Being able to kind of talk with the doctor, to being prepared for the deposition, to being prepared on what the opposing counsel might ask. I think it's most important, I guess.
You know, the funny thing is, so like we do all the work in the office, and we're talking to clients, we're getting the documents ready, but then I always kind of leave the office and kind of go do all the trials or depots and stuff, and then kind of come back. So people really don't get what it is that the internal stuff. So I've always kind of come back and said, people. I know sometimes it's hard to appreciate what it's like in those depot rooms and how quick you have to be and on top of it. Because whenever I do a depot, I'm there to win the case, win the depot every time. You cannot accept anything less. And the other thing we do is, when you're taking these depots, you're doing this like it's ready to go to trial. So I have to make sure that even though, and our amazing paralegal Jennifer's holding the camera now, but Jennifer and other people, they're prepping the case and stuff. But when I get ready to go do it, I got to make sure all the exhibits are there, all the medical's there, all the bills are there, that we have a copy of it, we have a copy for the other side, what order we're going to do it. And then you're flying aroig doing that. You're in a tight room. I mean, we're in these tight rooms, these close quarters, papers everywhere. I take this big case. But my briefcase is maybe as old as you are. I have the same trial case I've had for like 20.
We won't tell you guys how old I am.
Like I've had it for like 42 years.
A little bit older.
So anyway, you have to have it all ready.
Yeah, it's nice to see the finished product of all the hard work that gets put in the office to then be able to go see. And the outcome is big.
Now, you saw a lot of hard work in the finished project last summer when you were a law clerk, though, at a trial.
Yeah, my first trial where I won $113 million.
Nice.
How much was that again?
$113
million. And we fought hard for that case for a long time. What were
He did.
Yeah, but you stepped up and you did a great job on. You did all our technology and you did a lot of trial support. What was that? What was it like? What's your experience? What was that like in terms of professionally? I have two questions. First, professionally coming and doing that.
Wild.
Why?
To be able to see, it was the first trial that we had done since I'd been here. I'd been there over a year, I guess, at that point. To see that final product, because it was probably it's the biggest case you had.
Yeah.
So to see all the work that you put into it for the 6 years leading up, and also all the work that you have to do there. I don't think a lot of people realize to be able to get up the next day and look so polished takes a lot of work behind the scenes. So it was
how amazing were our clients to talk for.
Very amazing.
Isn't it just
so
amazing?
Kind.
You talk to them a lot. What do you think of them, the corrections officers?
So kind, so hardworking, and really genuine people.
That's true. It's a blessing. I argued that case at the Court of Appeals 3 weeks ago when you helped prepare us. So thanks for helping prep me for that. Back to these depots too. We're so busy in the office, but the night before the depot or before, I am going through all of the medical, tabbing it and doing it. I have these fancy ways. You know how I have these fancy Post-its? I literally take them like this. I rip these big ones in half. And so all my paper has the sides of them. I have these piles of paper. The sides of them are covered with all the Post-its with my little notes and stuff. Well, congratulations. I am very proud to have you be on this side of the bar and to be a licensed lawyer. And I think you're going to be a great lawyer, as I've told you many, many times. And I'm proud to have you on our team. Thanks for working with me this week.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for doing this video. Would you like to do a lot more of them?
No, we'll keep you updated on my progress.
Stay tuned
whether I am actually good at this.
Stay tuned for Taylor's weekly Facebook Live videos.
This is probably the most laughs you've gotten on a Facebook video ever. So
we love Taylor. Thanks for working with me. I'm very grateful for all your hard work.
Thank you.
It's very true. Thanks. Bye.